Inside your arteries, plaque builds up silently. Vessel walls stiffen. Blood flow slows. Over time, your heart works harder just to keep up. Beetplex is a powerful daily supplement formulated with 4 nature-derived ingredients, each one targeting your vascular health at the source. Beetroot is rich in nitrates that your body converts to nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, restoring healthy blood flow. Pomegranate and grapeseed extract deliver potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, protect vessel walls, and help restore their natural flexibility. Citrus polyphenols work as a natural anti-inflammatory, clearing the vessel lining and reinforcing the strength of your vascular walls from within. The result? Cleaner vessels, freer circulation, and a heart that works the way it was meant to. Beetplex, because your heart deserves better.